station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. Land ho!
Hide our treasure, First Mate Debo.
I love playing pirates.
Yar, me too.
What is it, Debo? Whoa! Wow!
It's a treasure map.
I wonder, how do you find buried treasure?
I can help. X is where the treasure is buried.
So cool! But how do we get to the X?
First, we need to figure out where we are. Do you see anything you recognize from the map?
Hey, that elephant-shaped rock looks just like the one on the map.
Now you see those dashes? According to the map scale, each dash is equal to 1 step.
There's 5 dashes, so that's 5 steps.
Right! And according to my compass watch, we need to walk 5 steps north, which is this way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The map says we need to climb up the tree. How are we gonna do that?
Look, a rope ladder. Nice work, First Mate Debo. Treasure, here we come. Whoa, a secret door. But how do we open it?
This hopscotch grid is on the map. I've got it. Blippi, try hopping only on the blue squares.
All right. We did it! Let's go! Whee! Whoa! Ooh, ooh, ooh. X marks the spot! Woohoo! We found the treasure! And I got the answer to my question. How do you find buried treasure? To find buried treasure, you need a map. And to follow the directions written on it to find the X. Upload answer, Debo.
Let's see what's inside. The Great Big Book of Curiosity?
Whoa! What a curious kind of treasure.
Huh?
Whee! Whoa! Who were they?
Let's go find out.